Yes, sir, my sinfully seductive people. I'm back. Wow, 2 videos in one day. It'll be 3. Make sure you catch our live. Me, D Da Vinci the poet, we're doing a decant swap. So he sent me some, I sent him some, and we're gonna do it on a live today at 7 Central Standard Time. I think that'd be 8 Eastern. I don't know what is Pacific. I don't know. I just know the Eastern and the Central because he lives in Central. I live in Eastern. So, but anyway, I got some mail. This came from the Netherlands or Amsterdam, and it's from what I was speaking about earlier. Nasamato / Orto Parisi. Look at the detail. Attention to detail. Look at that. The nose is all over. I already took these off. Don't need that. Now we're gonna open this. You see that right there? Orto Parisi, Nasamato. Thank you. All right, now thank you. See what we have. Bam. This is perfume samples. Nice little design. This little bag. Okay, it's pretty cool. And then we have, oh, what? Look at that art. Resvalium? Yes, Resvalium. Handkerchief. See, this is what I love about buying directly from the brand. All of the stuff that they send. You have a card here. I love your work. Thank you for shopping at Nasamato de Parisi. Yes. And then we're not going to show that. That's my invoice. And then we have some samples. We have Duro from Nasamato, which I already have. We have Viridi. I wanted to sample this one. This is one that I don't have. And Koyum, one I don't have. And this is Pardon, one I do have. Nice. So that's what's in there. As far as the ones that I have in the Orto Parisi line, I have Resvalium, I have Taroni, I have Bocanera, I have Bergamask, I have Sturkis, and I have Seminalis. This one, look at the packaging. Beautiful. And it also comes with, let me put this back in here. One more thing in the bag. Packing peanuts all over the place. I'll put this on the floor. Comes with a tote. Look at this tote. I'm telling you, man. At least buy one time from the official brand. And we have Brutus. If you're not familiar with Orto Parisi fragrances, they open in an origami fashion. So, check it out. Bam, and they open like that. And then it's housed in this like case thing right here. You just pop, 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 pop. See what I mean? And then fragrance right here. Brutus, Orto Parisi, 50 ml, Parfum, and then the name of the house. I already smell it. Caps are heavy, really heavy. Okay, I didn't bring my test strips out, so you can go on here, go on skin. Beautiful atomizer. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh, this is beautiful. Review coming soon. So next time, follow us on the quest to smell the best. Stay blessed. Peace.